Ibes, may reason kung bakit tinetest namin. Kasi baka mamaya, pag full in ka, titingnan namin yung damage output ng per character dun sa itetest natin. Bes, may reason kung bakit hindi kami natatalo sa 255 kahit WG kalaban kung bakit pumapalag dun sa kanila. Kasi bes, hindi kami basta dumidepende sa description ng build eh. May mali kasi dyan. Ano kasi bes server base siya eh. So, kahit sabihin mong ganun yung effect, pero pag hanggat hindi mo tinetest sa damage output ng bawat characters, hindi namin matitest kung ano yung pinaka-capability ng isang items at kung paano siya i-maximize.
Wala rin yan.
Fly away 体中に広がるパノラマ顔を蹴られた地球が起こって火山を爆発させる溶けた氷の中に恐竜がいたら玉乗りしこみたいねチャラヘチャラ何が起きても気分はへのへのかったチャラヘチャラ胸がバチバチするほど騒ぐ元気だなサキュー空を急行風とコースター落ちてゆくよパニックのその絵景色逆さになると愉快さ山さえお尻に見える悩む時間はないよどこかに潜む
O mga bata, kaya huwag kayong mawawala. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, paalam!
Just received an urgent message from police. They're looking for a missing dad.
The girl only had a drawing of her father. She didn't have a photo, just this drawing of her her father.
Have an update from police.
Officers have now located the father just moments ago.
It really